All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Spyderco Kapara. Look at that. Here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let's go ahead. Check this bad boy out. Look at this blade, 3.5 inch long blade, 4.5 for the handle, 8.2 for the overall length of this compression lock, carbon fiber scales, 3D milled S30V steel, Alistair Phillips design. This is named after the red stripe Australian spider. In fact, you can see the red stripe here in the back spacer. Kapara is also like an alternative name of that Australian spider, and it is a pretty cool knife, guys. It's funny looking. I mean, it's unique. It has a very unique look for sure, but I started I learned how to like this guy because there are so many good things about this one for sure. Retail price on this fella was like $300, $290 I think. Maybe it can be found for cheaper on the secondary market. It's a stainless steel compression lock. In fact, you have the stainless steel liners underneath these carbon fiber 3D milled scales. Very smooth, rounded off, pretty cool. You get a lanyard hole option, G10 back spacer right here. You get, of course, like S30V steel blade. This is made in the Taichung factory of Taiwan. Alistair Phillips logo running right there. Full flat grind. You get to see the grind lines in the primary bevel, chamfering going on around the spine of the blade. You get this hole, which is pretty convenient if you want to do like a slow roll with your thumb, if you want to do like a spidey flick, if you want to do like a thumb flick, you know, it's pretty fidgetable, like pretty much the same thing as is going on the Paramilitary 3. Let's quickly check the weight on this fella, and because there's some nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy. Look at that, 3.35 ounces is gonna be the weight in your pocket. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.